Yes.
Hello, good afternoon, Miss Hong.
Afternoon, teacher.
Yes, can you see and hear me well?
Yes.
Well, that's good. How are you this afternoon?
I'm fine. Thank
Mm,
you. How about
you-
you?
oh, you're welcome. I think you are very fine. I think you are not stressed. Are you not stressed with your work?
Sometimes,
Sometimes you feel stressed, but this
yes.
time you still groom, still beautiful despite of the very busy. Yes. Anyway, Miss Song, have you eaten your lunch?
uh, Not yet.
Oh, why? What time is it now?
Because I have breakfast late.
You
So,
take your
um,
breakfast late in the morning.
yes.
Yes. So maybe after our class, you can take your lunch.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Anyway, wow, how's your day? How's your work this time?
Oh,
How's
sorry.
your work? How's your work this time, Miss Hong?
Uh, it's normal.
It's normal. There is no something happen or
Yes.
any problem at work? No.
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 Yeah.
Okay. What about your kids? How are they?
Uh, There's there's okay.
Mm-hmm. Your mommy, what's this? Your mommy and daddy taking good care of them, right?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So, by the way, Miss Hong, there is what time is your lunch in lunchtime, break time in your at work? What time is your, I mean, break time at your work this time?
About 1 hour 30 minutes.
Ah, I see. So in a day, you have 1 hour and 30 minutes break.
Yes.
Ah, I see. And then only that for that 1 hour for that day, for a day, every day.
Yes.
Ah, okay. Ah, I see. At least you have free time for yourself, right?
Currently, if I don't
Mm-hmm.
have attend English class, I
Mm-hmm.
will sleep. Will
Le-
sleep. Sleep.
Sleep.
Yes.
I see. Yes, sometimes we feel tired, so we need to take a rest, right?
Yes.
Yes, at our age, we are really it's really very tired. Yes, okay.
Yes.
Anyway, we will extend our time. I'm sorry last time, Miss Hong. I really
It's
mislooked the
okay.
time. So we will
Yeah.
extend 20 minutes today. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, get ready. Teacher is ready
Yeah.
for class. What about you?
Yes, I'm ready.
Wow, Miss Song is always ready for the class. I like that. Okay, so look at this. We are going to continue with your class last time, and we are done this, right? So we
Yeah.
are going to start the new lesson, and that would be about your kids.
Yes.
Yes, here. Okay, let's try to read this one, Miss Hong. And let's try to consider some of those. What's this? Vocabulary this time. Let's
Yes.
try and let's see. Please read Miss Hong.
When I got married, I thought my
Mhm.
life has changed forever. I
Mm,
was right, of course, but those changes did not compare to the ones that happened as a result of having children. When
Let's
my
pause this
wife,
for a while. Let's pause
yes,
here for a while. Yes. Is it true? When you got married, there would be a change forever. Right?
yes,
Is it true, Miss
yes,
Hong?
it's true.
Yes, it's true. And of course, the changes that you have now would not be compared to the ones that happen as the result of having a children. Right?
Yes.
Okay, can you give me at least two, Miss Hong? What are those things that changes in your life with without first not yet married and now you are married? Give me at least two things that was changed in you. Can you give me?
Yes. The first, I think, is when I am single, I can
Mm-hmm.
go out with my friend every time when I want.
Mm.
And when I got married, uh, uh, I I go out with my husband.
Before you can go out alone with the friends, and this time
Yes,
you can go out with your husband without
yes,
friends, right?
yes, yes.
Yes, that one. You can go out today. You Oh, by the way, Miss Hong, would there be a time that you can go out alone without your husband? I mean, this time, can you
Yeah.
go outside without your husband? Or he's always there with you when you go out?
Uh, I think we we go out together,
Ah,
not
really?
alone. Yes, yes.
Wow,